Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopping right on into the eyes, I'm starting off by priming my eyes using my NYX concealer in 6.7 caramel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Picking up my Profusion Blush and Glow palette, I'm grabbing the shade Charming and I'm placing that on my brow bone. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Profusion Cosmetics Sienna eyeshadow palette. For my transition shade, I'm going to be picking up the shade Dynasty and running that through my crease. Add some definition, I'm going to pick up the shade Fearless and I'm going to run that below the orangey shade that I just applied. Once I have that shade placed down where I like it, I'm going to go ahead and blend the two shades that I applied with a fluffy blending brush. Now grabbing any concealer, I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. You guys have seen me do a half cut crease so many times, so like I always say, just keep watching to figure out how I do this. To set that concealer, I'm grabbing the shade Solstice and Exclusive and I'm placing that directly on top of the wet concealer. What the wet concealer is going to do is bring out the vibrancy in the shimmer shades that I am applying. To help blend the two shades together, I'm picking up the shade Darling and I'm placing that on the outer edge of the silvery shade and the orangey shades to help blend the two shades together. Just going back in and further blending everything together. The next part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner using my Wet n Wild Blackest Black liquid liner or something like that. I'll have it linked in the description bar down below. But I don't know, I feel like wing eyeliner looks weird on me now, and you guys know wing eyeliner has been my thing since I started YouTube. Smoke out my lower lash line, I'm picking up the shade Darling again, and I'm just smoking out the lower lash lines. I went ahead and did my face off camera, but I'll have a video linked of a video that I did a full face. Now I'm taking my Tarte eyelash curler, and I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes. Once my eyelashes are curled, I'm grabbing my Benefit They're Real mascara and I'm just placing a few coats over top, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some eyelashes. The eyelashes that I am using are the Lily Lashes in the style Havana, and I'm also using my House of Lash Glue, the black one. Now that my lashes are on, we're going to move on to highlighting the face. I'm using the same Blush and Glow palette by Profusion, and I'm using the shade Charming and Fizz and highlighting my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and pretty much all the areas that I normally highlight. For my choice of lip color, I'm using the Profusion Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just applying it on my lips, and then I'm going to use my finger to kind of sheer it out because I am going to go over top with a gloss. I can't seem to find the lip gloss that I used, but it's from the Profusion Secret Little Lip Kit. I'll have it linked in the description bar of the exact lip gloss, but I love the color. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching, and I will speak to you guys in my next video. Bye! I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news. I done did that before.